Greetings and welcome to Win-Win Live. This is Greg McIver, contributing editor from Light Reading. I'm very pleased to have this opportunity for a face-to-face with Mr. Mark Chong, Deputy Chief Executive at AIS, to discuss AIS's 5G business practices in Thailand. As a leading telecom operator in Thailand, AIS is committed to providing users with an excellent digital experience and has made some pretty notable breakthroughs in recent times. So Mark, can you share some of AIS's latest progress in 5G commercial use with us?
Yes, certainly. I think the first step in providing an excellent digital experience starts with an excellent network. So we have invested heavily into AIS 5G network. Recently, we have added more investments, rolling out to 90% of population coverage all over the country. In certain cities like Bangkok and the Eastern Seaboard, we actually cover practically 100% of these cities. But beyond having a good network, we also need to ensure that the network can deliver the necessary download speed, uplink speed, and the low latency that modern users such as gamers require.
Well, Mark, congratulations to you and AIS on your progress in 5G in 2023. And as a pioneer in AIS's 5G commercial success, can you share with us the highlights of AIS's experiences in 5G commercial use?
Yes. So I was talking about excellent network and delivering the necessary network attributes for the user's experience. Recently, AIS introduced a series of bandwidth boosting modes called the living networks. So there are three modes. One is the boost mode, another is the live mode, and the third is the gamer mode. So the boost mode allows a user to choose to augment his download speed at the press of a button. And the live mode allows the user to uplink a high-density video to the cloud using the live mode. This is suitable for the social influencers. And the last one, the gamer mode, allows gamers who seek low latency to experience that at the press of a button. So we have actually levied a fee of about 49 baht for the use of such modes over 3 hours. That's on the consumer side. But if we are talking about enterprises, we have started building private networks or quasi-private networks where we customize a network to suit an enterprise requirements, say in a factory, say in a mining area. We have worked with companies like Siam Cement Group to enable autonomous mining by building a private 5G network. We have worked with Toyota, Siam Toyota Company, to monitor the consistency of electricity current in their factories so that the quality of their machines is assured. So these are some examples of what we have done in addressing consumers' requirements and also addressing enterprises' needs.
Thank you, Mark, for sharing those experiences. AIS's best practices are very inspiring and they set high reference value for the entire industry. In the future, when we consider new opportunities that are coming on stream with AI and developments in network cloud intelligent convergence, what would you say are the inputs here for AIS and what's the business plan and the roadmap?
With the advent of AI, we started experimenting with certain solutions in a few areas. One is in raising the productivity of our own staff, our employees. Another is actually in improving the cost efficiency of our operations. So example, actually launched a voice AI that does the collection, debt collection on behalf of agents. And in our trials, we actually demonstrated that the robot AI in debt collection collects as much and equally as good as the human agent, but at much lower cost. And we intend to implement other AI solutions to improve our cost structure, improve our cost efficiencies, such as addressing call center transactions, lowering the cost of call center transactions, enabling AI chatbots.
Well, thank you, Mark, so much for joining us here at Win-Win Live and for sharing your perspectives. See you next time.
Thank you, Greg. Thank you for having me.